Are you feeling tired, low on energy, or struggling with focus? It might not be you. It could be your testosterone levels. What if we told you that you could boost your testosterone levels just by eating the right foods? Yes, you heard that right. Forget expensive supplements or complicated treatments. Nature has already provided some superfoods that can naturally enhance your testosterone. In this video, we're revealing 7 powerful testosterone-boosting foods you need to add to your diet today. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll also answer some of the most frequently asked questions about testosterone and diet. Don't miss out. Your health and energy levels might just depend on it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one. All right, let's get started. Food 1: eggs, the perfect protein package. Let's start with eggs, the powerhouse of nutrition. Eggs are one of the most powerful testosterone-boosting foods. Eggs are rich in vitamin D, cholesterol, and protein, which are essential for testosterone production. Cholesterol might sound bad, but it's actually the building block for testosterone. Plus, eggs are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that support hormone health. The yolks in particular are rich in vitamin D, a key nutrient that directly supports the testosterone production. Studies have shown that men who consume eggs regularly have higher levels of testosterone compared to those who don't. So whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs should be a staple in your diet. Food 2: spinach, the leafy green booster. Next, we have spinach, a leafy green loaded with magnesium. Magnesium plays a critical role in testosterone production by reducing oxidative stress in the body. It makes it easier to produce and maintain healthy hormone levels. It also improves blood flow, which is vital for stamina and performance. Spinach can be added to salads, smoothies, or even omelets to give you a double dose of testosterone-boosting power when paired with eggs. Steam spinach lightly to preserve its nutrients. Food 3: tuna, the vitamin D dynamo. Tuna is another incredible food rich in vitamin D. Studies show that vitamin D can boost testosterone by up to 25%. Vitamin D acts like a steroid hormone in the body, and studies have shown that men with higher vitamin D levels tend to have higher testosterone. It's also a lean source of protein, keeping you fit while helping hormone production. Make a tuna salad sandwich. Add canned tuna to pasta dishes, or you can grill tuna steaks for dinner. Food 4: oysters, the zinc champion. Oysters are legendary for their aphrodisiac properties, and there's science to back it up. But did you know they are rich in zinc? Zinc is one of the most important minerals for maintaining high testosterone levels. Zinc not only boosts testosterone, but also supports muscle growth and sperm production. Even a slight zinc deficiency can lower testosterone levels drastically. Eating oysters just a couple of times a week can give your body the zinc it needs to keep your hormones balanced. Eat them raw with lemon juice, bake or grill them for a delicious meal. Add them to seafood stews for flavor and nutrition. Just 6 oysters can give you over 500% of your daily zinc requirement. Food 5: garlic, the hormone helper. Did you know garlic can improve testosterone levels? Garlic isn't just for adding flavor. It's a natural testosterone booster thanks to a compound called allicin. Allicin helps lower cortisol, a stress hormone that can block testosterone production. Lowering cortisol allows your body to produce more testosterone, so reducing it naturally gives your testosterone a chance to thrive. Add garlic to your cooking to flavor meals and boost your hormone health at the same time. Add minced garlic to stir-fries and sauces. Roast whole garlic bulbs for a sweeter flavor, or use garlic powder to season meats and veggies. Crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate its compounds. Food 6: pomegranates, the superfruit for hormones. Pomegranates are not just delicious, they're also great for testosterone. A glass of pomegranate juice a day can work wonders. Studies show that drinking pomegranate juice can increase testosterone levels by up to 24% in just 2 weeks. It also improves blood flow and reduces stress, making it perfect for overall wellness. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that protect testosterone-producing cells. Drink fresh pomegranate juice, sprinkle seeds on salads or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. Food 7. Nuts. The testosterone trail mix. Last but not least, let's talk about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts are packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, selenium, and zinc. These nutrients are crucial for testosterone production. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, so including healthy fats in your diet is essential. Nuts also help reduce oxidative stress, which can improve hormone balance. Nuts are easy to snack on, making them a convenient and effective option to keep your hormones in check. Eat a handful as a snack, add nuts to oatmeal or yogurt, blend almond butter into smoothies. And now it's time for your burning questions about 7 foods that increase testosterone naturally. Can these foods replace testosterone therapy? These foods can naturally boost testosterone, but always consult a doctor for severe hormonal imbalances. Do I need to eat all 7 foods every day? No, but incorporating at least 2 to 3 of these foods daily can make a big difference. How long does it take to see results from these foods? Most people notice changes within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent eating habits. Combining these foods with exercise helps speed up results. Are there foods that lower testosterone? Yes, processed foods, excessive sugar, and alcohol can lower testosterone. Can women eat these foods too? Absolutely. These foods are healthy for everyone and help balance hormones naturally. Do I need to exercise along with eating these foods? Yes. Strength training and a balanced diet work together to optimize testosterone levels. What other lifestyle changes help increase testosterone? Regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management also play a huge role in hormone health. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.